We're at Hospital Direct Medical, iMedical, looking at the Stille ImagiQ OR table, basically imaging table. And this is going to have a carbon fiber top. We're going to go ahead and just lift this up so you can kind of see. But this has carbon fiber, so obviously made for X-ray, made for procedures where you're going to have imaging equipment set up. Comes with your remote. Biomed certified, patient ready. Just put a brand new motor in this one, brand new battery, and this one here also has a pad that's in new condition. So what we're going to do is we'll just take it through the motions. Fairly basic table. You're going to have some Trendelenburg settings, and what we're going to do is take it through the motions to show it in good working order. And one thing about the Stille brand is that it is excellent, very high quality. You can hear the motors are actually running our actuators. Very, very smooth, very quiet. These are going to go as high as a doctor would need to do any type of surgery or operation, and this is well over my waist, up almost to my chest level here. Take it back down. So if you're looking for imaging tables, pain med tables, we also get the AMSCO pain med tables, which are going to also be carbon fiber tops, and these can be purchased at Hospital Direct Medical, iMedical. You can reach us at 858-652-1259. You can also reach us at Hospital Direct Medical at 858-263-4894 off our website. Taken into reverse Trendelenburg. I'm going to go ahead and take the table into the tilt feature, and this is a popular feature for C-arm tables, or tables where you're going to be using a C-arm to do the procedure. So if you are looking for imaging tables, give us a call. Hospital Direct Medical, San Diego, California, Richmond, Virginia, also Winchester, Virginia, and we carry a wide variety of operating room tables and equipment. Actually have a Skytron 6001 right next to it. We've got a Skytron 6500 Elite right here. In our operating room area right over here, we've got the AMSCO 3085 SP, very accurate table, but we carry everything and anything you need for surgical, including the Stille ImagiQ. Hospital Direct Medical, once again, give us a call, 858-263-4894.